A lot of the guys that work here came here right out of high school. They come in here at 17 or 18 years old, and they're in their late 50s now. They've been doing it their whole life. Repetitiveness really plays a big part in our success.
It's not something that you can just be told how to do or push a button and have a gauge turn out. It's an art. It's a technique that you have to absorb and develop. It's all by feel, all by experience. It's all hands-on, and it takes years of training to develop the mental state for producing this tight of tolerances. There was one customer that sent us a part and asked if we could produce it, and that part was produced, sent out to the customer, and they got back with us saying that they have never had anybody that was able to produce it exactly to print without them having to send their part to them and have it make it to that part. There's been other customers that have sent us a few pieces here, a few pieces there. When they finally realized the quality of the parts that we were producing and repeating on the quality, we started getting bulk orders. The repeatability on our quality is something that we've been known for.